has officially been set in former President Donald Trump's hush money trial, and this includes all 6 alternates.
Opening remarks will now begin on Monday. Fox's Michelle Ross joins us with all the details from outside Manhattan Criminal Court. Michelle.
Good afternoon. Right after jury selection was set, there was a disturbing moment outside of the courthouse. In a park across the street, a man set himself on fire in front of members of the press. A motive is still being investigated, but separately, we are going to find out and possibly expect opening remarks to take place on Monday. After some setbacks in Donald Trump's hush money trial this week, a full jury of 12 and 6 alternates were officially set on Friday.
As you know, I've been saying for a long while this is a rigged trial.
Views expressed by some seated jurors are critical of Trump, but say they can still be fair. One woman was quoted saying, "I don't like his persona, how he presents himself in public. I don't like some of my coworkers, but I don't try to sabotage their work." This sparked some laughter in the room, but not from Trump's attorneys. They wanted to remove her from the jury, but both sides ran out of challenges this week. Another juror said she likes how Trump speaks his mind. Across the street from the courthouse in a park, a man set himself on fire. Different colored pamphlets were strewn on the ground.
The pamphlets seem to be propaganda-based, almost like a conspiracy theory type of pamphlet. Some information in regards to Ponzi schemes and the fact that some of our local educational institutes are fronts for the mob. So a little bit of a conspiracy theory going on here.
Trump reiterating today that he should be traveling for his presidential campaign instead.
Instead of being in Pennsylvania or Georgia or North Carolina or lots of other places today, I'm sitting in a courthouse all day long.
Trump has also been accused of violating his gag order at least 10 times. The gag order was put in place by the judge to stop him from making comments about witnesses, jurors, court staff, and prosecutors, plus family members of court staff and prosecutors.
I have to be released of a gag order. They've taken away my constitutional rights to speak, and that includes speaking to you. I have a lot to say to you, and I'm not allowed to say it, and I'm the only one.
Possible gag order violations, notable votes.
And if Trump testifies, prosecutors want to ask him about the recent lawsuits that he lost. The first being the sexual abuse and defamation case brought by writer E. Jean Carroll, and the second being the civil judgment against him worth nearly $500 million. Now, the judge will make a decision on that. We'll know about it on Monday, when we can also expect opening remarks to begin. We're live outside Manhattan Criminal Court. Michelle Ross, back to you guys.
All right, Michelle, thanks for that.